Hello angels, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. Today we are going to do this dramatic glam that I'm wearing right now. It's Christmas around the corner, it's winters here, so why not to do something which is more of smoky, which goes very well for winters and can also be worn during this holiday season. So in case you like the video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, then do subscribe so that you can be added to our family, and also hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload. So in case you want to see how did I create this look, keep on watching. The winters have already started and I have started feeling dry. So just to overcome my dryness, I am going to mix Benefit Total Moisture Facial Cream with Marc Jacobs Dew Drops. Marc Jacobs Drops is going to add a lot of illumination to my skin, whereas the Benefit Total Moisture is going to provide me with adequate hydration that is required in this month. Just look at the glow. And now for the foundation, I'm using Bobbi Brown Moisture Rich Foundation in the shade 3.5, and I am going to apply it with this damp beauty blender. I am going to apply it all over the face, my ears and my neck as well. Now just to brighten up my under eye area and my inner corners, I am using this Boeing Concealer in 03 from Benefit. It is such a beautiful product and I have started loving it lately. It covers up the dark circles pretty well, and at the same time it illuminates the under eye area. So I am going to apply it on all the areas which needs to be concealed. Since this product is a little dry, so I have taken 2 drops of oil in my fingers and then warmed up the product and then applied it on the areas where I need it. Now for added coverage, I am going to add Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Natural Beige. And I'm going to mix it with Urban Decay Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer in Fair Neutral. Both these products together will work beautifully. Too Faced is going to provide me with adequate coverage, whereas the Urban Decay Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer is going to highlight my areas. I'm going to set it with this damp beauty blender again. And I am loving how the effect is coming out to be. My under eye area, I'm using Cover FX Illuminating Setting Powder in Light. All those girls who are dry, please do yourself a favor and get this Cover FX Illuminating Setting Powder. This powder is so much forgiving on the skin. I do like Laura Mercier, but in comparison to this, I feel this is more hydrating because Laura Mercier has talc, whereas this setting powder does not have talc into it. And I am using this thin sponge from MAC to apply this powder all over my face. For my contour, I'm using this Chanel Le Beige in Medium Deep, and I am applying it with this Luxie brush. This powder also has little illumination into it, so it works beautifully to add that bronze glow to my skin. For the blush, I'm using the Stila Custom Color Blush in Self-Adjusting Coral. It's a beautiful coral color and works with most of the eye looks. Now I am going to powder myself under the eyes adequately because I'm going to do smoky eyes and I don't want to spoil my makeup. For my eyes, I'm using the Sephora Jumbo Liner in the shade Dark Brown Matte. And I am going to blend it using this random Urban Decay brush. I am going to blend it pretty well. And for creating this look, I am using this Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette. I am using this shade, which is like a burnt orange. It's called Vibrant. I am using it with this MAC 217 brush, and I will apply it just in the outer corners of the eyes and will keep blending it as my transition. The next two colors that I'm using is this one, which is Create, and the other is Passion. And I'm using this Luxie brush 227, and I will just work on top of that burnt orange color and will remain in the outer corners of the eyes. The final color is this one, which is Forever. It's a very dark burgundy sort of a color, and I am using it with this Morphe brush just in the outer corners of the eyes. Now I'm going to use this high-res brush HB16 and marry all the colors together so that they look quite blended. Now the final lid color is definitely this one, which is Trendy. It's such a beautiful burgundy copperish sort of a color, and I'm going to apply it using my fingers all over the eye. Just for the inner corners, I'm using this tiny brush. The top of the lash is almost done, and now I'm going to repeat it on the lower lash line as well. I will start off with that burnt orange color and then take those two colors and finally Forever. But make sure when the moment you start taking darker colors, stay in the outer corner of the eyes. Just to intensify my look all the more, I'm using this O3 Plus Pro Artist Kajal, and I am applying it just in the outer corner of the eye, very near to the lash line, and I am going to blend this with a tiny brush. I will do the same on the lower lash line. We'll apply it just on the outer corner of the lower lash line and we'll blend it with a tiny brush. Now I'm going to fill my lower lash line and my upper lash line using the same Kajal pencil from O3 Plus. Now it's time to dust off the excess powder, which I applied under the eyes. Now it's time to finish off the eye look using this Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. It's brows time now, and I am using this Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in number 4. Once the brows are filled, I am going to set them with this Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I spray Matte Fix Plus all over my face in adequate amount. And then to highlight, I am using this MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Show Gold. I'm using this Sigma brush F35, and I will apply it on all the high points of my face. I'm going to use the same highlighter in the inner corner of the eyes and on the brow bone as well. I'm using this Kiko brush, and this is something that I've learned lately, that once I'm done with my makeup, I use this brush all over my face to blend all the things together. And trust me, the makeup looks so much better after doing this. For my lips, I'm using this Europe Girl Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Beetroot. This lip color is so beautiful and it smells like chocolate. And finally, I'll spray Matte Fix Plus all over my face. So this is the final look right in front of you, which is a little bit dramatic with little bit of smokiness created into the eyes. It's perfect for glam, perfect for festival season. So you can also create this beautiful look, and I'm sure you all would have liked it. In case you all liked it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share it with as many people as you know. I love you all, stay blessed, and I will see you soon in my next video.